Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announces the launch of Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign in the run-up to Independence Day. In Mann Ki Baat program, Modi also announces holding of Amrit Kalash Yatra across the nation. ISRO successfully launches 7 Singaporean satellites on board PSLV C-56 rocket from Sriharikota. Two-day 20th annual conference of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association ends. Meghalaya Governor Fagu Chauhan addresses valedictory function. The Meghalaya government moves the centre seeking international status for Shillong Airport, informs Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign will be launched soon ahead of Independence Day to honour martyred men and women. Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani, Modi said that many programs will be organised across the country in memory of the martyrs in the midst of the ongoing reverberations of Amrit Mahotsav. He added that special inscriptions will also be installed in lakhs of village panchayats. The Prime Minister highlighted that under Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign, Amrit Kalash Yatra will be organised across the country.
अगस्त पास ही है तो देश में एक और बड़े अभियान की शुरुआत होने जा रही है। शहीद वीर वीरांगनाओं को सम्मान देने के लिए मेरी माटी मेरा देश अभियान शुरू होगा। इसके तहत देश भर में हमारे अमर बलिदानियों की स्मृति में अनेक कार्यक्रम आयोजित होंगे। इन विभूतियों की स्मृति में देश की लाखों ग्राम पंचायतों में विशेष शिलालेख भी स्थापित किए जाएंगे।
The Indian Space Research Organisation's PSLV C-56 rocket successfully launched the Singapore's DSSAR satellite and 6 co-passenger payloads from the first launch pad of SDSC SHAR in Sriharikota today at 6:30 hours IST. PSLV C-56 DSSAR is the dedicated commercial mission of New Space India Limited for ST Engineering Singapore. DSSAR, a radar imaging Earth observation satellite, is the primary satellite for the mission. In addition to this, there are 6 co-passenger customer satellites also belonging to Singapore. PSLV C-56 is configured in its core alone mode. The two-day 20th annual conference of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India region came to an end today. The two-day conference, which was inaugurated by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla yesterday at the temporary building of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in Rilbong, deliberated on 2 main topics: natural disasters and strategies for management, with special reference to the North-East region and regional connectivity to bring the North-East at par with the rest of the country. The valedictory function was addressed by Governor of Meghalaya, Fagu Chauhan. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla on Saturday called for peace in Manipur, saying the incidents the state has witnessed since the outbreak of violence on May 3rd are painful. Only peace can bring prosperity in the state and the region, he told newsmen on the sidelines of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India region organised at the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Stating that peace is a must for development, he said that all speakers in the conference have called for peace in the northeastern state.
उसमें चर्चा संवाद के निष्कर्ष रूप से उनकी नीतियों कार्यक्रम बनाने में काम के राज्यों को मैंने चिंता व्यक्त की है कि सभी में शांति रहे। हम सब मानवता की शांति की अपील करते हैं। शांति से समृद्धि खुशहाली आती है और ये सभी स्पीकरों ने चिंता व्यक्त की है कि हमें शांति बहाली के लिए सामूहिक प्रयास करने की आवश्यकता है।
The The Meghalaya government has requested the Ministry of Civil Aviation to declare Shillong Airport as an international airport. Informing this while addressing the 20th annual conference of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Conference held on Saturday, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that with around 10,000 passengers every month, the Shillong Airport is directly connected to Delhi, Kolkata, Aizawl, Agartala, Imphal, Dimapur, Dibrugarh and Guwahati. He said that with the help of the Government of India, the state government is taking steps to upgrade the Shillong Airport to accommodate bigger flights.
Today, with around 10,000 passengers every month, the Shillong Airport is directly connected to Delhi, Kolkata, Aizawl, Agartala, Imphal, Dimapur, Dibrugarh and Guwahati. With the help of Government of India, we are now taking steps to upgrade the Shillong Airport to accommodate bigger flights. We have additionally requested the Ministry of Civil Aviation to declare the Shillong Airport as an international airport to improve direct connectivity with countries bordering the northeast states, which will greatly boost the Act East policy.
The Meghalaya government is coordinating with the North-Eastern Space Application Centre, Department of Space, Government of India for an early warning alert system for cyclones, landslides, flood and lightning. The government has also decided to use drone technology in disaster management and its mitigation. This was informed by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma as he addressed the gathering at the meeting of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association for India 3-Zone at the Assembly at Rilbong in Shillong on Saturday.
Honourable Speaker, the Meghalaya government is coordinating with the North-East Space Application Centre, Department of Space, Government of India, for an early warning alert system for cyclone, landslides, flood and lightning.
Assam Club, a socio-cultural sports organisation, on Saturday organised an all-Shillong inter-school quiz competition in the club premises at Laban, Shillong. Altogether, 12 schools participated in the preliminary round. 6 schools made it to the final round. Quizmaster Rahul Chatterjee, a noted academician, conducted the quiz in an interactive manner and the teams participated with great enthusiasm. Finally, the team from B.K. Bajoria School comprising Ansh Jha and Saket Mishra emerged winners. The team from St. Edmund's School came second. St. Edmund's School was represented by Name Donhi W. Lingdo and David B.C. Gatpo. Fyodor Marbinyang Swer and Jabez C. Gangte of St. Anthony's High Secondary School won third prize. Earlier, the inaugural function was attended by Osman E. J. Nongbri, Managing Director, Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank, as the chief guest. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was recorded at 25 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 18.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning and in the evening remained at 75% with rainfall of 0.8 millimeters. The forecast tells us moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announces the launch of Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign in the run-up to Independence Day. In his Mann Ki Baat program, Modi also announces holding of Amrit Kalash Yatra across the nation. ISRO successfully launches 7 Singaporean satellites on board PSLV C-56 rocket from Sriharikota. Two-day 20th annual conference of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association ends. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan addresses the valedictory function. And the Meghalaya government moves the centre seeking international status for Shillong Airport, informs Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening and stay safe.